have been working on Industry 4.0, mainly focused on augmented reality applications for industrial maintenance of machines. Reality is a solution for help the maintenance issues, but the bottleneck, the challenge, is the cost of the development of these augmented reality applications. Any IT technician in Dinfair can easily create new augmented reality applications for new machines. We create this augmented reality platform to facilitate the implementation and development of augmented reality applications for industrial machines. So this is the main objective and the goal of the project. It was participating in Mind4Machines. It was a great experience. First, because this is still a research project with some risks associated. So the funding, it was quite interesting for us because it decreased the risk of investment on this new technology. But not just the funding, also the support that we got from the mentors, not just on the technical level, but on the business model design. In particular, Smart, we got a very good advice on how to scale up the solution and also how to look for investments.
I'm from commercial department at Dinfair, related to special products, with a focus on design and producing test equipments for the wiring or harness maker industry related to automotive sector. Our company produces a wide range of equipments from the single test or continuity test in harnesses to high voltage test in components for electrical vehicles. Dinfair, as a multinational company, often encounters some urgent requests from different parts of the world. So to meet these demands from our clients and in order to have a quick response, we some time ago recognized the need to embrace the digitalization process. It could reach a higher level of digitalization and information, and could offer to our clients a wide range of information related to the equipments that they could verify quickly through augmented reality and more efficiently, because they see the machine and additional information on the machines that could not see in the normal way. And the smile in the faces of our collaborators have motivated us and Smart to push forward and enhance the solution, to provide more information to us and of course apply this excitement to our clients.